Alright guys, here is another math resource for you guys. It's called Zearn. Some of you have already been on it. Dominic has been using it in Miss Fuller's class and he really likes it. This guy keeps messing up my videos. Okay, try and stay focused. Bear with me. Okay, so let me show you my screen. Okay, so all I did to get to here was type in Zearn, and this should come up to log in. Okay, so I'm gonna go in as myself because she did one for me that I can go in as a student. Okay, so, I gotta get my class code. Let me look real quick. It's in an email because I don't want to redo this video. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Learn. Okay, got it. Our class code is WP7C7N. Brian's class, join class. And same thing as Pearson and MobyMax, I put those login cards up on our remote learning platform. So those are on there. And I will also put them on our Facebook page. Okay, so I assigned you another quadrilateral lesson just like in MobyMax. So for this one, this is where you start your lesson, okay? So this is the lesson you are on. In order to keep going, you have to keep unlocking things. So click start. You're gonna make and break, click next. So this is just a fluency thing, make 11. So you have your 10 frame here, add one more, that's 11. Enter, 10 and 1, make 11. So this is super easy for you guys, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and go through this lesson to get to the next one, okay? Okay, so I just completed that and this is the screen I see. I Zearned it, yay, I'm so smart. Okay, done. And you'll see that you just completed the number gym and now you're gonna go on to Multiply Mania and then click start. Multiply Mania, go. Answer as many as you can. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. 2 minutes. I'm gonna pause you guys while I do. Okay, so I just completed that and this is the page that you see when you're done. So I got, great job, you got 59 right. I challenge you guys to get that many right. Okay, so in game, Mania multiplied, 59 correct, click done. And then complete, this is my next thing. Start, and this is a little video for you guys to go through and you're gonna answer some questions along the way to learn the lesson about quadrilaterals. I'm not gonna go through all of that, but basically with Zearn, you are just going to keep going. Let me get my face back up here. Stop share. Okay. Basically with Zearn, you're going to keep going with the thing that pops up next and you're going to just keep going up the ladder, basically. I said basically a lot, but what ifs. All right, that's Zearn. Comment any questions if you have any. Bye.